give it a deep cleaning, and do it once around after we get it cleaned up, and touch it from head to toe. You know, I usually don't pull bags off, but I went ahead and went in because I assumed there's some dirt up in there somewhere. Yeah, boy, it's been a journey. I think my ears started to return back to normal. So, once again, thanks to everybody who gave me what's up, the shout out through the whole country, clicking likes on what I did. Me and my man been doing. You know, all I can say is just do it. Time to get over here, give it the once over, change the oil, go ahead, we cleaned it up, degreased it. Time to look into that front bolt, since I got new ones from Arlen Ness. And that's pretty much it. We're still here. Like I said, that back tire was new when we started, about 9,000 miles ago. Now, it's showing clear signs of wore down. Anybody know the average time of a back tire? What's the mileage supposed to be? Anyway, time to get cleaned up. Got that second oil change going. Black? Them motherfucker. Yeah. That part right there. Trust me, you can feel it when you change the oil. Seems like the bike runs a little smoother. It's not feeling so tight. I'm just saying. So, Shaq.
Yeah.
This is the outro meeting, I guess we will say. In this whole situation. You assassinate my character across the country.
I didn't assassinate your character, but you did damn good, man.
But
I was just trying to push you, that's all.
okay, yeah, you did some pushing, you know. So, but I applaud you for that. So, like I said, you hit me back every time I say I would have did it by myself, but it would took me a lot longer. I think I had the guts to go, and once I went so far, I wouldn't have went back. I had to go the whole way anyway.
Right.
It just probably would have took me longer.
It did.
Yeah. It did. I only lost by a whole day, but you know, it took 24 hours. So basically, you outlined where we went. You put it like in alphabetical order, not the way it occurred.
Right.
But state-wise, we covered in. You did it 12. I did it in 13.
And that wasn't. No, that was total days out there. How many days did you sat
we
down for a couple
sat
of days?
down. So we could have probably did this in
10 days.
10 days.
Easy.
I read somewhere on the internet that you can do this, the whole country, hit all 48 in 8 days. That's in the car, not bike world. But his map showed you zigzagging and it said jump on wherever you feel. After if somebody plans to do something like that, you can find that information online, what route to take to hit all 48. But here we go. We touched down. How many states was that, you say?
I think 31.
I think it was 31 out of 48.
Yep, and that includes D.C.
Including D.C. So we got Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Delaware, District of Columbia, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Maryland, Minnesota, Mississippi, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, Washington, D.C., Wisconsin, and Wyoming. Wait, we got South Carolina. What about North Carolina?
We didn't go to North Carolina.
Yeah, we did.
Did we?
Yeah,
I'm listening.
you got North Carolina. That's right there.
Okay.
That's right there. The states we did not hit was
We did go through North Carolina because I was going to pull over in Raleigh.
yeah.
I was by myself then, though.
Oh yeah, you know.
Damn storm.
But you didn't. Okay, we got Virginia. Okay, we didn't hit West Virginia. We hit Virginia. Okay, states we missed were Colorado, Connecticut, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Massachusetts, Michigan, Missouri, Nebraska, North Dakota, Oregon, Rhode Island, Utah, Vermont, Washington, and West Virginia. So we got 31 of the 48. And we did it in 13 days. 12 for my man. But anything you want to share with that, Shaq, on what would be you consider the key to surviving this long out there on the freeway?
A couple things. I think being physically ready.
Yeah.
Because if you're not in shape, it's going to be hard.
Yeah.
Getting out there, you need to be mentally ready. You got to be strong mentally. Cause
there's going to be a lot of times you talking to yourself in your helmet.
What the hell am I doing out here?
Yeah, you know, and I had, Shaq would ask me, Rob, why are you falling back? And I'd be sitting there, man, I'm just looking around where I'm at and reading the names of these cities. And I'm pondering and thinking about what it was like on a wagon, what these Indians went through when the other new Americans showed up and took their stuff. That's what really had me slowing down when I first fell behind. And I would just slow down. You just
enjoying it and trying to suck it in.
Yeah, I'm just looking at the view. I'm recalling every Western I ever saw. And I'm like, damn, was they filming it here? Was this they were talking about? And before I look up, my cruise controller went off and you 10 bikes ahead. And I got
10?
Okay, more than 10. I can still see you. Okay, I'm just saying 10. You know, 10 is short in bike life. 10 of them bikes is not that far. We're talking 20 maybe, you know. Anyway, but I can still see you. Yeah, I can still see you.
I kept my eye on you.
And he kept the eye on me, so he didn't let me get too far out of sight. You know, he let out the gas, so I'd have to give up the gas to get back where he landed on still here.
But yeah, that being mentally strong.
Yeah.
And then staying hydrated.
Yeah.
What a lot of folks don't realize is that wind will dry you out.
Yeah.
And if it's heat and it's wind, if it's a cool day, the wind gonna dehydrate you.
Yeah. You need to if you guys don't know, my man is talking about is one of these backpacks right here. You want to have one of these backpacks with a little sippy straw, you know, whatever. And, you know, it's always polite when you roll up into the place and say, hey, you guys charging for ice? And, you know, cause we ran a situation with the Indian lady.
We sure did.
And she, I'm like, woo, woo. And so you want to ask, hey, you guys charge for ice? And they'll reply back, hey, if you own a container, no. Or they'll say, oh, you got to buy a cup. We say, okay, no problem. But, you know, we felt at that first scenario that it wouldn't be a problem because it was just ice. And she, you know, she got serious about her ice. And so,
but those things are good.
Those things are good.
That will save you.
That will save you. It's called a camelback, and it pretty much works like this. You put it on your back like so, and you can reach around and get to it like that. You know, it has a little a valve. See, still got water now.
Yep. Squeeze,
bite on it and suck, and the water will come through. You'll get hot water for a hot second because it's the water that's out there exposed to elements. But if you keep it iced, so every time you get some gas, pour your hot water out, fill it up with ice, and then top it off with your water, which you'll probably have to buy some, you know, bottled water and pour in there. Make a donation to the stop, and that'll keep you going. You need to have that.
And it usually will last between gas stops.
Gas stop. How many miles do you think we got per day? I'll break it down to mileage per day. How far I think we were averaging about minimum of 5, minimum of 5, maximum. Well, I won't count the 24-hour one, but max around about the 7s.
Why not count that?
I'm gonna throw that one in. That's a well, you know, that will sell call that the above average rider.
Yeah.
You know, if you can pull off 1,300 in one setting, we pulled I think 11 on one we tapped out in Indiana. Yeah, I think we pulled an 1,100 right there.
Well, we went all the way from Sturgis.
We went from Sturgis all the way to
Indiana.
Indiana Turnpike, and the fog shut us down. Yeah. And it became unsafe.
Because I was ready to go to New York.
Yeah, he was talking. Here you go. He was ready to put New York in 30. really, guys? And so, but yeah, that would. Hey, I ain't gonna doubt what he's saying. Maybe he was ready to go, but